Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm taking a look at the SuperBox S7 Max Smart Media Player 6K. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through the design, the menu system, the remote, and overall usability so you can decide if this is something that fits your setup. Now, before we get into it, I want to be clear. This is a hardware review. This device is basically an Android-based media player, similar to other streaming boxes out there. And how you use it depends on what apps you install and how you use those apps. All right, let's get into it. My first impression, right out of the box, the SuperBox S7 Max feels solid, well-built device. It's compact, lightweight, and easy to tuck into your entertainment system without taking up much space. Setup is pretty straightforward. Plug it in to your HDMI, connect to Wi-Fi or Ethernet, power it on, bada boom, bada bing, you're on. So my first impression, right out of the box, the SuperBox S7 Max feels solid, well-built device. It's compact, lightweight, and easy to tuck into your entertainment system without taking up too much space. Setup is pretty straightforward. Plug in HDMI, connect to Wi-Fi or Ethernet, power it on, bada boom, bada bing, you're running in just a few minutes. It runs on Android, which means you get a familiar experience if you've ever used an Android TV or streaming device before. I love the menu system on this. Performance and specs. Under the hood, this thing is actually pretty capable. Has 4 gigabytes of RAM, 64 gigabytes of storage, quad-core processor, super for high-resolution playback up to 6K. So overall, navigating through menus and apps feels smooth and responsive. According to available specs, it's designed to handle modern streaming and apps without a lot of lag. I didn't notice any major slowdowns just moving through the interface, which is a big plus. The menu system, this is one of my favorite parts. This is honestly one of the standout features I like about this system right here. The menu layout is clean, simple, and easy to understand. It's probably one of the best out there. Everything is laid out in a way just makes sense. You got clear categories, large icons, and it doesn't feel cluttered at all. If you're someone who doesn't want to mess around with the complicated settings or confusing layouts, this is a big win. Even if you're not super tech savvy, you can jump in and figure it out pretty quickly. And that's something I really appreciate. It's designed to be user-friendly, not overwhelming. The remote, check this out. Let's talk about the remote here because this is actually better than expected. The remote feels solid in the hand, has a nice button layout, very responsive, it's just big and beefy. I love it. Some versions even use a combination of RF and IR, which means you don't have to point it directly at the box for it to work smoothly. Buttons are clearly labeled and everything is spaced out well, so you're not accidentally pressing the wrong thing. Overall, it's just really comfortable, easy to use remote, which makes a big difference for everyday use. For connectivity and features, you got a good amount of options right here. Wi-Fi including dual band support, Ethernet for more stable connection, USB ports for external devices, HDMI output, boom. So whether you're streaming, using apps, or playing media from your USB drive, you've got flexibility here. What this device is and isn't, this is important to understand. The SuperBox S7 Max is essentially a media player platform. It doesn't provide content itself, it gives you access to apps similar to other streaming devices. So your experience depends on your internet connection, the apps you install, and how you choose to use it. Used properly with legitimate apps and services, it functions just like any other streaming box. So the pros on this, here's what I liked. Clean and easy to use menu system, smooth performance without navigating, really nice responsive remote, good storage and RAM for apps, simple setup. So here's a couple things to be aware of. Since it's Android-based, experience can vary depending on apps. Make sure you're using it responsibly with legitimate services, and like most devices, performance depends on your internet connection. My final thoughts, overall, the SuperBox S7 Max is a solid media player with a really clean interface and a surprisingly nice remote. The biggest highlight for me is honestly how simple and user-friendly everything feels. The menu layout is clean, easy to navigate, and just works without confusion. Even my dad can navigate through this. If you're looking for a straightforward streaming device with a nice interface and smooth navigation, this is definitely something to consider. And like I said, this is probably one of the top ones. Talk to you later. Have a good day. Adios. Goodbye.